Do you remember where we met for the first time?
Where did we meet for the first time?
We were at the football game and you were passing out programs.
Yeah.
And you looked up and I looked down, and my roommate, Deanne Smith, finally fixed us up for our first date, and
That was it.
54 years later, here we are.
So we met on Scots Day, 2001. It was my freshman year, your sophomore year.
Yep.
And we eventually got together my senior year. It was your last semester.
Yep.
And, we got engaged at Wallace Hall. We got married at Wallace Hall. And so when Dusty was commissioned to do the painting there, it was kind of a natural way to tie in our love story. So.
Yeah, so I was able to put the word love in the front four columns of the of Wallace Hall in the painting. So it's been a lot of fun to kind of put our mark here, and also to recognize all the other love stories from Monmouth College by having the love in front of the columns, and so yeah.
Well, we were in the same class, and we started dating. We were at a party off camp at Rich's trailer.
Yeah.
And basically, we started dating. I was a teak, and Ann was a Kappa. And
Our first date was Academy Awards in March, so we kind of celebrate that every year, and we're going on 44 years of marriage. We always have Monmouth to remember.
yeah, it's the center of everything.
Well, I was an ATO and Gail was a Kappa Kappa Gamma.
And
Gail returned from her junior year abroad, and we met her senior year.
that's right. We'd known each other through the years, but he was dating somebody else, and so it took till my junior year, his senior year, for us to lock eyes and go, oh, he's not bad.
We were married a year after she graduated, or no, the year she graduated, 80.
I graduated in 74.
And have been married 44 years.